Good morning, class. Standard 9 Physical Educations. Welcome back. The new academic year 2021. I hope you all safe and well. Now, previous last year you all did volleyball and basketball, rules and regulation, terms, everything you have. Now only the textbook section A will be changed. Your chapters will be changed. Keep according away from that textbook. This section here is 50 marks question come from these chapters. Totally that heading will be changed. A standard you studied about respiratory system, circulation system, skeleton system. Now totally different now. In this you have to study more for this year and coming next year 10th standard also same portion will be carried forward. You have to remember this. You have textbook part 2. In that section A there is 11 chapters. In that first chapter is human growth and development. Chapter 2 physical educations. Chapter 3 body types. Chapter 4 physical fitness. Chapter 5 sports training. Chapter 6 principles of sports training. Chapter 7 safety in sports. Chapter 8 prevention of injuries. Chapter 9 health educations. Chapter 10 dietary modifications and meal trip planning. And 11th chapter careers in physical educations. In that we have to learn chapter human growth. What is the human growth and developments? So human growth, normally you have textbook, we have to learn from them. Every week we'll get question from one chapters, few questions, and volleyball and basketball. Any one question I can give you, like 40 marks daily, weekly once you have to give revisions. So basketball, volleyball is nothing is changed. You have to follow the same notes which I have given last year. Now only things is chapter section A, health and hygiene will be changed. The chapter is 11th chapter for you. You have to learn from this. So you have textbook, you can follow through. When you buy the book, part 2 books you have to buy. Last year you have only part 1. That books also keep with you. The rules and regulation of volleyball and games will be there. Apart from that, you have to buy part 2 physical education textbook. So in this human developments there is a chapters growth and development. What is the growth and development? The growth is change in the size. Human body changes size. The 5 years, a little bit from infant to 5 years. From above 5 years, year by, that is day by day, your body will depend on your environment and diet. The body will grow. The proportions disappearance of old features of acquisitions of new ones according to the growth. And growth refers to structural and physiological changes. Growth is related to a quantitative improvement. Growth takes into account the increase in size and weight. Growth signifies the series of physical changes that occur from conception through maturity, nature, and stop at certain stage. In the other word, growth refers to cell multiplications or quantitative changes in size, weight, and number. It can be measured in inches or centimeters and in pounds or kilograms. the growth in height, weight, size, etc. Developments means progressive series of changes that occur in an orderly, the predictable pattern as a result of maturations and experience. So development concerned with growth as well as those changes in behavior with the result from environmental situations. That means when you come to up to 11 years, 12 years, you will play like a mature type. When you come to above 12 years, you will get slightly maturity feelings. So I am becoming older, some voice will be changed, body organs will change, the hormones will change your body size growing up, and what is a good, what is a bad, that is a stage you have to understand. Through your physical fitness, through your environment, through your locality, through your house, inside the house or outside the house, behavior. You can see the outside world, what is going on. The knowledge will get. Then when you growing, that sudden age up to 12 years, you won't feel anything. What is the good, what is the bad. So when you are above for 12 years, you will have some changes in your body and changes in your voice, changes in your behavior, attitude. Everything will change. That is called developments. Which condition you are developing, which condition you are growing up, everything will be like a family is the one bedroom house. Everybody is a brother, sister, sibling, all together. That environment different. Someone living in bungalow, good environment they are living. Atmosphere will be changed. But behavior wise is the same human or nature. One cannot be equal to everyone. So different category, different kind of environment, the human growth will be dependent on. So this studies how to make it. So I will give one volleyball questions, volleyball or basketball, or one chapter in health and hygiene. You have to see, nothing is that based on this chapter only question will be prepared, and you have according to the textbook only question paper is coming. So whatever the question last year I given for you, keep it with you. Sports, that is volleyball and basketball, will remain the same, only the health chapter is changed. You have 12 chapters, 3 chapters I will tell you what is happening in that. Go through this, what is important for you, that I will tell you. So the understanding a stage, there is a stages are there, human stages. The infancy means from childbirth up to 2 years. Child 2 to 12 years, early childhood, late childhood, that is called 2 to 6 years and 6 to 12 years. Next, adolescence means this is the important turning point in your life, the youngsters, that is 12 to 19 years. Adulthood, 19 to 65 years, above all called adulthood. Early adulthood, 19 to 40 years. Late adulthood, 40 to 65 years. Old age or aging, that is from 65 onwards, the old age will start. So next we will come to development, characteristics and different stages of growth. Physical development, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, like infancy, how they are growing up. You are seen. First 1 month can't move, shaking the legs. 3 months the child can roll over. 4 months can sit and falling over. 6 months able to sit without support. 7 months begin standing and while holding on things for support. Can be begin to walk still using support. 10 months is able to momentarily stand or own without support. So likewise, 11 months can stand alone and more confidence. 12 months begin walking alone without support. 14 months can walk backward without support. 17 months can walk up to steps with little or no support. 18 months able to manipulate objects with feet while walking, such as kicking the ball. This all childhood. This type of only growing. You also grown the same way. So when you come to the age, totally understand you what is development and human growth. So stay safe, stay home. Good morning, class.